Hey guys, welcome to Recipes Tested in RecipesTestober. I'm Brianna Robinson, and today I want to snuggle up and make some pumpkin white hot chocolate. And I got this from laurinthekitchen.com. The link will be in the bottom below. This was a recipe she made a couple of, I think about 2 years ago, and ever since then I've been dying to try it. So I felt like today was just the perfect day to make it. My local coffee shops don't make this. I googled it to see where it comes from, and I guess it's from Wawa, which I don't have in my area. So I'm looking forward to making this. So if you guys want to see how it turns out, just keep watching and I'll get testing.
Right, so this is a super duper easy one. I just got going on putting my milk into my saucepan and then poured in my heavy cream and my pumpkin pureed, not pumpkin pie filling, and mix that together. Next I added in cinnamon and tried to mix that together. And once it was steaming, kind of little boils on the side, I took it off the heat and added in my white chocolate chips and then my vanilla extract and mixed it all together until the chips melted. And that was it. Easy peasy.
All right, so the hot chocolate's done, so I'm gonna go ahead and give it a taste and let you know if it's love at first drink. Ooh. Well, there's a lot of pumpkin. I don't get a ton of the white chocolate, but I feel like it's more of a, like it mellows down the pumpkin rather than just tasting like white chocolate itself, if that makes any sense. It's just pumpkin and spice, and it's kind of creamy feeling. It's very, very rich. So this is, I mean, this is a smaller glass, but this is more than enough. I give this a rating of a 10 out of 10. Super easy, super quick, and it's not something I'd ever heard of before. So it's really unique to me. So I'm digging it. I hope that you guys enjoyed, and if you make this recipe, let me know if it turns out well for you too down in the comments down below. And don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching Recipes Testober. I'm gonna go drink this, so I'll catch you guys on my next video.